just finished morning's workout. Bro, how do you feel? Better than before? That's good, bro. That's good. So now it's time for breakfast, and then we'll head out to Rinjani.
To the volcano of Lombok.
Yes, and look at waterfalls with Rosmat and Lichin and Waki. So come along, lots.
Thank you.
Wow. Damn, bro. Bon appetit, brother. Very, very nice. Now we go home and change. Alright, time to go. We're ready to hit the jungle. Very excited. Yeah, this one.
Oh,
very
yes.
excited. I have no idea what we're going to see, but hopefully some waterfalls.
Yes, bro.
We have a ride to Rinjani.
Ding, 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 ding.
Welcome out, sir. You may now exit your vehicle. Let's grab all the things. Let's go out and explore the jungle. Let's do it. We need more people here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What is it? What's that, bro? Can you taking it?
Are you dead?
I did, bro.
Okay. Test it, please. What happened here?
Yeah. Here we have 4 to 5.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5. So
So this one.
this one, 80, 400.
Now we have paid, bro.
No.
Now we want to go see some waterfalls. Okay, guys, let's go and explore. 4 waterfalls, right?
Yeah. Hello. There's the people from the jungle. Ew.
We can hear the waterfall.
The waterfall.
So we are entering the first valley of the first waterfall. Alright, on to the next one. Uphill. Oh yeah.
Next one.
Let's go, guys. Woo! So these guys are supposed to be in super great shape with all the surfing they do. But I guess reality is something else. I feel like we've entered the real jungle now. We're going down again. Getting closer to some waterfall. Number 2. We've reached the second waterfall. This one is a bit larger. Look here, in the photo. You think it's a good one, bro? Dude, you're sweating a bit.
It's 10 meters higher than the other
You
one.
are sweating a little, bro.
No.
We have here, how tall?
40 meters.
40 meters. See how that looks like. Status is, this one's quite steep. Greg! Beautiful waterfall here. Very, very nice. Do you like it, Rosma?
Of course I like it, bro.
That's good, bro. Okay, I made it up the hill. Whew. Now let's see how long time it takes for the others to get up. Complaining. Greg's made it. Now we gotta see how long time it takes for the others to get up here. Because I think it might take a while.
Yes. Picture.
Huh?
Picture.
Waka!
What's up, bro?
You made it, brother!
I made it, bro.
Waka made it!
Very tired.
Rosmat made it. Oi, Lihin. You look like you're dying, Lihin. Bro, are you alive?
Tired, bro.
I think they survived. What's happening?
You are very handsome.
Thank you so much. Bro, you okay there? 1 ton of shit in my shoe.
Hey, be careful, Nicola. Well, I think it will be nice where you just go and jump.
Jump?
Yes.
You go there. Yeah.
Never know, never try. You can just go jump from there, bro.
Oh my god.
I feel like I put the worst shoe for this ever.
Yeah, me too.
Go jump, bro. Hey, watch out. Hey, watch
I'm
out.
gonna take an alternative route over here.
No, bro.
I feel like this one is gonna be more safe. I think we made it through the worst part. But I like this, the adventure.
Nicola, look it. I want to go shower. Shower. Like it, I want to go shower, bro.
Wow, this is next level.
Oh!
Hey, come on,
Let's go, Waki.
let's go. Come on now.
Wakisito.
I can do it. You go there.
Oh, you come with me.
That was so cool to see a waterfall like that. Now we are smiling. You. Maybe not. Okay. Now we continue to the next waterfall. This one was quite amazing, to be honest. And from now on we are doing it barefooting because our shoes are dying in the jungle.
I don't think we would have survived this one with shoes.
I think this one would be difficult with shoes on. I agree. Look at this. Damn. Oh my god, it's so powerful! Holy Okay, it's now time to leave this wonderful waterfall. Okay, we go up again. This is what we're dealing with.
What does it mean?
Even though this might not seem like the path, this is the better one of the two. Since we're only gonna walk back to the parking lot now, I say we'll spin it there. Do you agree, bro?
Oh yeah, bro.
Because it's spin it to the car lot. And we're back at the car. Finally, long hike back to the car here.
Yeah, bro, finally.
But we made it. Okay, thank you and goodbye, Rinjani. Derry Makasi.
Derry Makazi.
Derry Makasi. See you later.
Geopug Rinjani.
See you later. Okay, we're heading out for dinner. Very nice. Let's see where we'll end up for dinner. I hope we'll have a very nice dinner today. Since tomorrow we are leaving for what, bro?
Komodo Islands.
Komodo Islands. We just ordered the flight tickets.
And for the last few days, I've become an expert in
in
Komodo.
Komodos. So I guess tonight's dinner will be at
Bambasito.
Bambasito. Now we just missed the rest of the crew.
This one, 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 this one.
And after the drinks, we're gonna have this one, 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 and this one. And sweet potato fries. Very nice. Hello, brother.
3 mahi-mahi, 3 rice,
Yeah.
1 tuna, 1 teriyaki, 2 sweet potato fries, and 1 crispy tofu buns.
Yeah.
Yes. Perfect.
Perfect.
All good. Look at that one. Damn. Dragon fruit. Coca-Cola. Ginger ale. Banana smoothie. Ginger ale. Those for today. In the jungle. Oh my god. In the jungle. Yes. Alright guys. Let's enjoy this.
Enjoy this.
That's good. Good dinner today. Very good dinner. Very good day.
I think these 3 guys will end today's.
I think they're gonna end today's vlog, yeah. That's it. We're gonna do like this. Over and out from Team Adventures in Lombok. Seeing waterfalls, surfing and everything. Remember to subscribe if you like this content.
Remember to check out Rosemats.
Remember to check out Rosemat's Instagram in the description, Waka's Instagram in the description, and Muslihin's in the description. And that is over and out from here. That's it.